Second topic is Lewis symbols or Lewis dot structures. Lewis dot structures. What is mean Lewis symbols or Lewis dot structure, and how to draw the Lewis dot structures? Anyone idea about the Lewis dot structures and how to draw the Lewis dot structures? So before draw the Lewis dot structure, first we must know the types of electrons. Then only we can easily draw the Lewis dot structures. Types of electrons. Electrons are mainly classified into two types. One is core electrons. Core electrons. Another one is valency electrons. Valency electrons. What is mean core electrons and what is mean valency electrons? Simple, core electrons are nothing but inner orbit electrons, or inner shell electrons are nothing but core electrons. Inner shell or orbit, inner shells or orbits electrons are nothing but core electrons. Valence electrons. We know what is mean valence electron? Very good. Outer orbit or outer shell electrons. Outer shell or orbits electrons are nothing but valency electrons. So these are very important concept before writing draw the Lewis dot structure. Core electrons and valence electron. In these two electrons, which electrons are used to draw the Lewis dot symbols or structures mean valence electrons only used draw the Lewis dot structures, because valence electrons only involved in the chemical bonding. Valence electrons are far away from the nucleus. That's why these are involved in the chemical reaction. These electrons only used representation of Lewis dot structures. So first I will take one example how to draw the Lewis dot structure. First example is oxygen. So in oxygen, how many valence electron? Very good, 6 valency electrons. Sir, I don't know, sir, how many valence electron. Means we can easily find out the valence electron according to electronic configuration. You know what is the electronic configuration of oxygen? First you will find out atomic number of oxygen is 8. So atomic number of oxygen is 8. So electronic configuration, very good. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is the electronic configuration of oxygen. In first orbit, how many electrons? 2 electrons. Second orbit, how many electrons? Here 2, here 4, total 6 electrons is there. So outer orbit electrons are nothing but valence electrons. You know this valence electrons equal to group number. That's why oxygen belongs to 60A group. Which group? 60A group. So now how many valence electrons is there? 6 valence electrons is there. So now how to draw the Lewis dot structure mean? First you write the symbol of oxygen. Around the symbol of oxygen, draw the Lewis dots. Lewis dots mean how many valence electrons? 6 mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a Lewis dot structure of oxygen. Here valence electrons are represented with the dots. some situation we can also represent with the X also. Each electron representing with the X. Here how many valence electrons? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many valence electrons? 6. Either use the dots, either use the X for representation of valence electron. This is the Lewis dot structure of oxygen. Next, we will take one more example. Lewis dot structures. Next example is phosphorus. What is the atomic number of phosphorus? 50. What is the electronic configuration of phosphorus? Very good. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. First orbit how many electrons? First orbit 2 electrons. Second orbit how many electrons? Second orbit 8 electrons. Third orbit how many electrons? Very good. Here 3, here 2, 5. How many electrons? 5. So these are the valence electrons. These 8 and 2 are nothing but core electrons. So 5 valence electrons mean how many dots we take? Around the phosphorus symbol, 5 dots. Very good. First you write the symbol of phosphorus. Then you write the valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a Lewis dot structure of phosphorus. Another way of representation is first you write the symbol of phosphorus. Either use the X also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Lewis dot structure of phosphorus. Next, I want to take one more example. 1 to 2 elements. For example, fluorine. Fluorine. What is the atomic number of fluorine? Very good. 9. What is the electronic configuration of fluorine? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. First orbit how many electrons? 2 electrons. Second orbit how many electrons? Very good. Here 2, here 5, 7. So 7 valence electron. Now first you write the symbol of fluorine. Next, around the symbol you represent the valence electron either using dots or X symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a Lewis dot structure of fluorine. Next, I want to draw the Lewis dot structure of argon. What is the argon atomic number? Very good. 18. What is the electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. First orbit how many electrons? 2 electrons. Second orbit how many electrons? 8 electrons. Third orbit how many electrons? 8 electrons. Mean last orbit is third orbit. This orbit containing 8 electrons. So how many valence electron? 8 valence electron. First you write the symbol of argon. In symbol of argon, 2 letters is there. First letter must be capital letter. Second letter must be small letter according to Berzelius guidelines. Now here 8 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a Lewis dot structure of argon. So Lewis dot structures are very important and very useful.